My name is Laura Cunningham. I lead Near Horizon. Horizon is a revolutionary accelerator. We've actually built a marketplace product on the blockchain operating system that allows founders to connect with the supports that they need the most. We're really targeting founders who are pre-seed to seed stage and providing them with access to service providers like legal services, marketing services, things that they need to sort of start their business, as well as a lot of learning resources that they can consume asynchronously. And then finally, and often most importantly, also to backers who might be interested in their projects for investment. The blockchain operating system was our platform of choice for building Near Horizon because it makes Horizon much more accessible to all of the founders and projects that are already in the ecosystem, and then ones that are coming in new. You can be building on another chain as long as you have some component of your stack on Near, then you can apply and be part of Near Horizon. It also is incredibly composable, so we were able to fork different attributes that were already available on Boss and make use of them in our front end. So it made it a lot quicker to actually develop. We're so excited about the social aspect of Boss. One of the biggest value propositions of Horizon is the ability for founders to actually connect meaningfully with other founders and with backers. While you're building your product, you actually can build your team at the same time. You can find people who want to contribute in a part-time way. You can find your next CTO. And so we believe that that's going to be such a critical and important thing for founding projects.